Alright, this is a Rudig Yard equipment. The pump is bad. I did troubleshoot it. And made sure that coming out of the connection I had voltage with a drop light that turned incandescent, and it worked fine. I also hooked in another pump that I bought. These go out frequently. Basically cheap pumps, and made sure that it works. Here we go. I gotta love it. Oh, that's why. See that? I won't edit that out. Let's try and connect it to the actual battery. There we go. So it looks like I have regular screws, standard. Let me get a tool and start replacing it. Okay, 5/16. Regular screws. Let me apply some WD-40. And the sun's coming out. A little harder on this side. One pair of special tools here. Here are the special tools. Good. Relieve pressure. Okay, very good. Okay, there we go. Removed. New one installed. Guess the right answer would not have been to hose it up, but what the hey. course, one of the things I need to do is to order another pump, because this is not going to be the last time I do this. I kind of like this tank. Again, it says Rugged, R-U-G-I-D, and I won't vouch for how rugged it is, but as you can see, it's a rather straightforward operation to replace the pump. You know, the chemicals eat away at, I don't know if it's a motor or the blender, the pump part. Not gonna spend the time, although with the current inflation rate going on, you may want to try and fix yours, but you gotta weigh what it costs you. I got a truck I gotta maintain and change oil in here, a lot of other things to do. Of course, I always say I gotta clean the house, and I never get it done. Okay, put tools away and the WDs. Now my neighbor will have to check it out, and that is that. Hope you enjoyed this video. Signing out.